Welcome back to our tutorial video series. In this session, we'll guide you step by step through the process creating a connection with Agrirouter. Once established, this connection allows seamless data exchange between your tractor, platforms like Path Planner and other farm management tools. Step 1. Access your SDF Data Platform account. First-time users must register for free on the SDF Data Platform. If you're already registered, simply log into your account. Step 2. Add your tractor to the platform. Navigate to the Vehicle section and click Add Vehicle. Enter the VIN vehicle identification number of the tractor you want to add. Click Next, enter the tractor's name and click Next again. Click Add to save the vehicle to your SDF Data Platform. To edit any details later, click the pencil icon to make changes. Register on Agrirouter. Open a new browser tab and go to agrirouter.com to open the Agrirouter website. Click Login, then select Register. Fill in your contact information and click Register. Check your email for a confirmation link from Agrirouter and click it to complete your registration. Select the tractor brand to connect. Search for and select DEUTZ-FAHR, then click Next. Search for the platform to connect to Agrirouter and select SDF Data Platform. Complete the process by clicking Next, then Save. Step 4. Connect SDF Data Platform to Agrirouter. Return to the SDF Data Platform and go to the Data Management section. Click Connect an account. Enter the email address used for your Agrirouter account and click Add. In the window that opens, click Connect to finalize the association between your DEUTZ-FAHR tractor and your Agrirouter account. Step 5. Finalize the connection in SDF Data Platform. In the Data Management section, click Connect. Select your tractor from the list and click Connect again. Step 6. Finalize the configuration of the tractor in Agrirouter. In your Agrirouter account, locate the connected tractor. Click the pencil icon, select DEUTZ-FAHR in the Mounted On section and save the changes. Step 7. Connect additional platforms to Agrirouter. Agrirouter allows you to link additional platforms like Path Planner for data exchange. To connect Path Planner, open the Path Planner account settings, click the plus button to connect to Agrirouter. A green button will confirm the successful connection. In the Agrirouter interface, rename the endpoint if necessary to correctly identify the tractor and associated platforms. Notice: please do not delete endpoints on the Agrirouter control center. If one endpoint is not needed anymore, then delete connections on the dedicated platform. Step 8. Verify and use the connection. Return to the Data Management section in the SDF Data Platform. Click the connected vehicle to view the status of data exchange. Use the connection button to establish a direct link between your tractor and the platform. Setting up the connection on the iMonitor. Ensure your iMonitor is connected to the internet via CTM or hotspot. Open the Data Management application on the iMonitor and log in using your SDF Data Platform credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the Task Management menu. To receive task data from the FMIS, click Download. A notification will confirm the successful download and show where the data is stored. Switch to the Inventory Manager and select External Inventory. From the drop-down menu, select SDF Share and confirm. Select the specific task data you want to import, navigate through the categories and confirm the data import. Return to the Guidance menu and start the task with the downloaded data. Once the task is completed, the corresponding file will appear in the Task Management menu under Data Management. Upload the task data using the Upload button to the connected endpoint like FMIS. Data Management Tips. To delete data from the SDF-Share or completed tasks folder, click the broom icon next to the Download or Upload button. This action will not affect other data stored on the iMonitor. For users preferring to manage all data, fields, guidelines, prescription maps on the FMIS, enable single task management in the monitor settings of the data management application. This setting ensures that new data overrides existing data on the iMonitor, skipping the inventory manager steps. By connecting your Agrirouter account, you enable seamless communication between your tractor and various software platforms. For example, data can be exchanged directly via Agrirouter, eliminating the need for USB transfers. That wraps up this tutorial. Discover more videos for helpful tips and tricks.